4 minutes. I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Oh friend, why are you so shy? I'd like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, couldn't fight it out. Hope you see my face, I did feel money died for me. Days in the hole.